Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to install and set up Bluetooth on your Windows 10 desktop or laptop. And if you are using laptop, most probably Bluetooth is come up with it. And if you are using desktop, sometimes you have to plug the external Bluetooth adapter with its driver. So if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking the video. So I will give you some methods to turn on your Bluetooth in your desktop or laptop. First, you have to check is your device support Bluetooth. To do that, you have to just right click on this PC and go to right click on PC, go to manage, the third option. It will be open computer management. In this window you can see there is an option called device manager. Just tap on it. Then you can see in the right side menu there is an option called Bluetooth. That means your device is come up with Bluetooth. Now first method is successfully. Then after you have to enable Bluetooth. To do that, you have to tap on the start menu here and go to setting. In this menu, go to devices here and go to Bluetooth and other devices. So you can see Bluetooth is currently turned off. So you just have to turn on it. And then after, you can see there is option called add Bluetooth or other device. Then just tap on it. It will be shows there are three options here. You can just add Bluetooth microphone, pen, microphones, keyboards, mouse, kind of things using this first option. The second option is for wireless monitors, TV and kind of things. The third option is everything else, that means Xbox controllers, wireless adapters and all of the stuff. So choose whatever you need according to your need. Then after, I like to use this one. Then after, it is searching the Bluetooth devices nearby your computer. So if your device Bluetooth is turned on, this will be identified as the Bluetooth device. Then after, you can just tap on pair and you can connect it with your computer. So this is how you can add new device into Bluetooth. So you can see currently I was connected the two devices, that is your USB keyboard and USB mouse. So in other devices has also two options. So this is how you can open Bluetooth. So I'm going to turn off it. If you see Bluetooth is not turned on using this one, sometimes it will be driver's issue. So up to resolve that issue, you have to update the drivers. To do that, just close this one and go to this PC and right click on it, go to manage. It will be open computer management again. Then after, go to device manager and go to Bluetooth here. When you click it, you can see the drivers is here. What you have to do is just right click on it and click on update driver. There are two options here. Either you can download drivers from website, internet, just tap on it. Now you can see currently I have updated my drivers. So go back, and if you see that issue is not solved, you have to choose second option, browse my computer, and again choose the let me pick from a list, and it will be shows every installed Bluetooth drivers in this menu with version. This is 2018, 2015. Choose whichever you need and then tap on next. Then after, you can see the drivers is reinstalled. Now it will be fix your issues and it asks to restart your computer. I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, if you see the issues not resolved, you have to the last option, go to troubleshoot. To do that, go to setting again. Then you can see the last option, update and security. Then go to troubleshooting left side menu and go to additional troubleshooters. it has every troubleshooters related to your computer. In this case, you need to go to Bluetooth here and just tap on run the troubleshooter. It will be identify if there is a problem with your Bluetooth. It will be fix that, or it will give the method to fix those issues. So this is how you can set up and enable and set up your Bluetooth in your computer. So I hope you gain some knowledge from this, and if you think this video is useful, please subscribe my channel and like in the video.